I guess what I'm getting at is in the connected sort of data-driven marketing world we are in now, you can start to really connect the ecosystem of sort of marketing channels and tactics up and down the funnel. And it's our job to start to communicate the long-term role, but also in the short term, what each tactic is doing to help the next part of the funnel. It's like the sequential thing that we have to work on. And that's really the hardest part to do, but something that we have to get really proficient at as an industry.
Yeah. So that's the bar. The bar is you have to be able to be articulate in explaining the connection between all the different points. That makes sense. To that point, how have you thought about building a data function within your team? Also, by the way, when you got started as a marketer, was the data function a function that even reported into marketing?
When I got started, data was mostly, I'd say, analytics and consumer insights. And today it's DSML, right? You need like data engineers, you need ML folks, you need AI people, you need people that can model things in the data warehouse. And then you need analytics folks that are really digging deep every day into different parts of this funnel and constantly optimizing it. So you have marketing analytics, you have sort of product analytics, you have, we even have people that are like fully focused on conversion and retention analytics, right? So you have to start to get these teams that are focused on different parts of the funnel supported by sort of DSML experts that are enabling these analytics to be as powerful and as predictive as possible. And the truth is, in terms of where they report, I've been in lots of different situations. I think it depends on the maturity of the company. If you're a bit earlier stage and you're still in the world where you're trying to organize all of this data and the event schema and all the information you have, I think it makes a lot of sense to centralize the data function because you've got to get all of the data warehouse, all of the pipes connected to things like your CDP and all of your marketing tools and your product optimization tools.